Hey, what's up guys, Ali here, and in this video I want to share a really simple way that you can use to spy on your competition and also curate content for your Facebook pages. It's super simple and straightforward, and you actually do not need any other tools other than your Facebook business page. So here I am logged into my Facebook and my business page, iSocialU. We're gonna go to Insights on the top. And then if you scroll down, there is a section, and it's been there for a while, but I actually just started using it recently. Pages to watch. So compare the performance of your page and post with similar pages on Facebook. So you can click on add pages, and this is where you can add pages that maybe are your competition, or if you curate content from a specific Facebook page, an industry blogger or influencer, you can add them here in your pages to watch. Once you add them, then you can look at this data to see your performance compared to the other pages. And obviously you want to be careful here because their marketing spend as far as the budget and resources may be completely different from yours. But this is what I like to do. If you click on one of these pages, this week's top post from Social Media Examiner. So you can see what kind of content is working good for your competition, or you can see what kind of content is doing well on that page that you want to curate content from. So let's say if I wanted to repurpose or reshare this content, all I have to do is just click on share and then share to a page. And then obviously you can add your own commentary here. I'm gonna find my page. And let's add some emojis. There we go. Post, that's it. So this is how, I'm surprised not a lot of people use this, but pages to watch is a really cool feature inside your Insights of Facebook pages. You can use this to keep an eye on your competition, their Facebook pages, and also you can keep an eye on the top industry blogs or pages and then curate content from them.